Andrew here with Wiseline Tools to introduce the new Milwaukee Coil roofing nailer, designed to maximize job site efficiency and durability. Available as a bare tool and as a kit, this nailer is designed for small roofing jobs, repairs, along with the added versatility of vinyl siding installation. This unit will put out up to 6 nails per second and up to 1,100 nails with a 3 amp hour high output battery. It features an attachable vinyl siding tip, a pivoting belt / scaffolding hook, tool-free depth of drive adjustment, dry fire lockout, and replaceable rubber wear pads. Get the Milwaukee Coil roofing nailer today at Wiseline Tools and wiselinetools.ca and experience nothing but heavy duty.